Right, welcome back. I'm Paul Glenn, and today we're going back at the Vr6. First of all, I've been out for the last couple of months because life gets in the way. For anyone who was asking, with a new baby and stuff like that, so that's hence why the cars come last. Family comes first. Anyway, back to the Vr6. Engine is back. The machine shop ended up having to regrind the crank and put in oversized bearings on the crank, or on the big ends, but he also then honed them, put new rings, and I got it back as a short block head. He reground all the valves, give it a tiny skim, and last time oil seals, all that kind of usual stuff. So that's ready to go as well. But yeah, we're just going to get stuck in. That's really it. Just try and get stuck in. Dub sheds in a week and a half. Will it be there? I'm not really sure, but yeah, we'll give it a go. Yeah. All clean. The gasket set. Head skimmed with nice and clean. Valves all lapped in. Yeah, that's it. That engine is, yeah, didn't work. Earlier engine, unfortunately. But anyway, we'll get stuck in. Right, that's me done for today. Hopefully get back here soon. Got enough here, I have to head off, so I got plenty done, I think. Head timed, rock all the covers, gaskets, they're all done. The auxiliary bracket tensioner, I have to get a crank seal because I didn't get one. Exhaust manifolds are on, heat shield, started the water pipes, water housing, crack pipe. So yeah, I'm getting there. Anyway, I'll be back here in a day or two. We'll see how things go. Right, that's a good bit of it back together. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. Taking the water pump off, I actually smashed it, but it's a plastic housing, or plastic, sorry, propeller. And it's also OE. There's also like a stamp in there. So changed it out for obviously a rectified one. Comes with a metal propeller. So hopefully that'll be an upgrade, I suppose. More than likely the plastic ones had an issue at some stage. Yeah, so most of the stuff is back on. Next step now, I want to get the last few little kind of vacuum pipes on, and obviously get the water pump built on properly. Flick it over, get the oil pump in, and then possibly start modifying the sump. I'll talk about that in a minute anyway. But yeah, so camera died the other day. Anyway, the engine's back together. I'm literally ready to lift it off, pop it in, and then on Saturday, once I went to go lower the engine or the car down, the ram out of the ramp decided to pop the seals. So you can see all the oil in the ground, all the hydraulic oil. That's from the seals in this packing up. So into work today. This is Monday, dub sheds Saturday. I'm leaving Friday, so hopefully get this back together, get the engine in, and hopefully everyone goes to plan. Anyway, that's really it for this one. Hopefully I'll make dub shed. Yeah, hopefully. See ya.